Hello everyone, I am Salahuddin, native of Pakistan. We are learning the daily useful vocabulary, the daily useful words of the vocabulary in Italian language. Okay, let's start. Keep a copy and pencil, begin to write and try to understand the pronunciations of the words in the Italian language and in translation in English language. Okay, the proposito knowingly. The proposito, Italian word, knowingly in English. Chiamata, chiamata, call. Maggioranza, maggioranza, majority. Maggioranza, majority. Magari, perhaps. Aggiungere, include. Aggiungere, include. Cose, things. Syllaba, word. Syllaba, word. Syllaba is called in Italian language. Word in English. Aggiornamento, update. Aggiornamento, update. It's mean update. Aggiornamento, update. Complimento, very good. Comportamento, behavior. Comunque, as it is. Normalmente, normally. Complicato, complicated. Alla fine, in last. Alla prossima, next time. Allacciare, tightly gripped. Alla grande, well done. Richiesta, application. Rispetto, respect. Disturbo, disturb. Paso, peace, one piece. Paso, piece, one piece. Passy, pieces, many pieces. Segreto, secret. Segreto, secret. Osare, to dare. Excludere, outside, abroad. Atimo, best. Regalo, gift. Terra, earth. Terra, earth. Paradiso, paradiso, paradise. Gratis, free. Obligo, obligation. Passi, pieces. Segreti, secret. Tonare, returned. Costringere, snatch. Misura, measurement. Stancarsi, tired. Offrire, presentation. Cielo, sky. Cielo, sky. Cielo, sky. Terra, earth. Cielo, sky, and terra, earth. Inferno, hell. Nebbia, fog. nepote, nephew, educaciono, ed, educaciono, educazione, education, bogia, falsehood, bugia, falsehood, riposo, comfort, veloce, sharp, sabrigati, sabrigati, hurriedly, day, day, off, quale, whose, quale, whose, quale, whose, avevo, to keep, alerto, others, alerto, others, pure io, I also, stesso, same kind, stesso, same kind, equando, and then, equando, and then, irano, was, e forse, perhaps, e poi, and then, ma, but, mando, mando, world, mado per, way, ritardo, late, pericolo, dangerous, pericolo, dangerous, mi dispiace, excuse me, dubitare, doubt, paura, afraid, accore, necessary, benvenuti, welcome, benvenuti, welcome, fingre, fingre, bogus, passare, pass away, fortuna, fortunate, educato, educated, isato, all right, cosa voi, what you want, cosa voi, what you want, dame, give me, nulla, nulla, nothing, piacere, happiness, piacere, happiness, chiedi, ask, tutto bene, it's okay, voi, you, loro, people, say, if, lei, she, girl, Coreto, you too, Coreto, you too, if annual, till when, Oresa, pies, multi, many, senza, without, zensa, without, maggior parte, maximum, maggior parte, maximum, il numero, quantity, potevo, I can do, significa, mean, spare, non, giusto, right, Sarah, will be, shall be, cozy, same like, temporale, temporale, storm, Austin RC, Austin RC, passato, mazi, passato, past, passato, past, Ya. Passione. Passione. Morire. To death. To death. Passione. Passato. Past. Morire. To death. To death. To die. To die. Okay. Repeat. The preposito. Knowingly. Chiamata. Call. Maggioranza. Majority. Magari. Perhaps. Aggiungere. Include. Cause. Things. Syllaba. Word. Aggiornamento. Update. Complimenti. Very good. Comportamento. Behavior. Comunque. As it is. Normalmente. Normally. Complicato. Complicated. Alla fine. In last. Alla prossima. Next time. Alla grande. Well done. Richiesta. Application. Rispetto. Respect. Disturbo. Disturb. Peso. Piece. One piece. Pesi. Pieces. Many pieces. Segreto. Segreto. Secret. Segreti. Secret. Osare. To dare. Escludere. Outside. Abroad. Ottimo. Best. Regalo. Gift. Para. Earth. Paradiso. Paradise. Gratis. Free. Obligo. Obligation. Tonari. Returned. Costringere. Snatch. Missoura. Measurement. Stancarsi. Stancarsi. Tired. Offrire. Presentation. Cielo. Sky. Terra. Earth. Cielo. Sky. Nebbia. Fog. Nipote. Nephew. Educazione. Educazione. Education. Bugia. Bugia. Falsehood. False. To lie. Riposo. Comfort. Veloce. Sharp. Sabrigati. Hurriedly. Do. Of. Quale. Whose. Avevo. To keep. 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 To is separate. Keep separate. Avevo. To keep. Alerto. Others. Pure io. I also. Stesso. Some kind. E quando. and then. Erano was. La there. E forse perhaps. E poi and then. Ma but. Ma but. Mondo world. Mondo world. Mondo is called a world in Italian language. Mondo world. Mondo world. Terra earth. Cielo sky. Modo per way. Pericolo dangerous. Mi dispiace excuse me. Dubitare doubt. Paura afraid. Accore necessary. Fingere bogus. Passare pass away. Passare pass away. Fortuna fortunate. Fortuna fortunate. Educato educated. Isato all right. Cosa vuoi? What you want? Dami give me. Nulla nothing. Piacere happiness. Chiedi ask. Chiedi ask. Tutto bene it's okay. Voi you loro people. Say if. Lei she girl. Pure tu you too. Puresa pies. Multi many. Zensa without. Zensa without. Maggiore parte maximum. Maggiore parte maximum. Patevo il numero quantity. Patevo I can do. Patevo I can do. Significa mean. Spare non. Giusto right. Sarah will be shall be. Cozy same like. Temporale storm. Passato past. Morire to die. Please write all the words on your copy and speak loudly and read again and again. These are all most useful words in the Italian language. After the learning of these words, you will be able to speak frequently between others in Italian language. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like and follow, share.